guys! Welcome to Tadz Recipe, Pinoy Salad Vlog. Ngayon po gagawa tayo ng sweet potato jam or kamote jam. Pwede din itong same as ube halaya, pero ito is sweet potato halaya. So, simple ingredients lang po. So, magpapakulo po tayo ng sweet potato, star margarine, and condensed milk. So, pwede din po yung butter, but mas masarap po yung star margarine na gagamitin. So, pakukuluan muna natin yan hanggang sa lumambot. So, ayan po, malambot po yung ating sweet potato. So, cool down muna natin, tapos pwede natin siyang i-dudurugin. Ayan. So, ayan na po yung ating sweet potato. So, ika-crush na natin yan. And then, after that, we will add our margarine and our condensed milk. Ayan. Just put it here. So, habang pinakrush natin yan, or minimix na together with star margarine and condensed milk, kailangan natin siyang i-low fire para mag-melt yung ating margarine. And we start crushing our sweet potato. It's like mashed sweet potato. Cinder, what happened? So we'll add half first. Condensed milk. So I add half of this big can. Oh my goodness. So yummy, Roxy. Start mixing, then we will start low fire. Low fire natin siya while mixing. I think it's enough. So it's like 1 kilo of sweet potato. So enough na po yung small margarine or half the big one, and the small condensed milk. So wala akong maliit, so I use the big one, so I make it half. Then just mix lang hanggang sa mag-even na yung margarine margarine and yung ating condensed milk. So we're almost done. I think it's so delicious. But I will taste it first if it's enough, or no need to add our condensed milk and margarine. Oh my goodness, it's so yummy. So just enough. The sweetness is so even. So 1 kilo of sweet potato, then 1 small of star margarine, and condensed milk 1 small also. What I have available for me is the big one, so I make it half. So that's it. We're almost done. We're just mixing evenly and then it's ready to serve. Yan. Just final mixing. Luto na yung ating sweet potato jam or sweet potato halaya. I don't know how to call this. Okay, so we're all set. Wait, I'm struggling. Okay, now we put it there. Oh my, yeah. So here's our sweet potato jam. So yung pwede din tong lagyan ng toppings ng cheese if you want. And all that. Thank you. So please don't forget to watch my YouTube channel, Tadz Recipe Pinoy Salad Vlog, for more videos, and you can suggest any food or dessert that you want to make. Thank you. Bye.